Masegirinya.
Ngana nagira Masegirinya. Maya abantu mufera nnyo. Bale soka kwefuso kompe audio ye yabadayagala okufera Omu Karamoja omuyala. Omanyi mwepanka nnyo mufera nnyo.
Omu Karamoja omuyala.
Already Omu Karamoja.
Bambi already they have.
Wale bayina enjala. Kalale gwo omukubira yagala mufera sima Airtel line yo tukikoze eki.
Bakuba ebikugwagwa.
Kati yagudde ku muntu. Namuwuliramu.
Tunalutegeera bayogedde lulimi eki.
Gwe mumpe. Mufera amayasa betaaga nnyo omuntu ng'alina obudde. Mugwanyo kufa bali busy. Yetango ino budde no muwa kubudde kati mukazi yamuwadde
omuntu agwa mu injala yo nawe no muddiza omuntu omuyala
oyogera ne Kakembo
kale sebo
oyogera ne Kakembo Patrick okuva ko ya Uganda.
You talk to me in English.
You don't know Uganda?
I don't know.
Okay, you are talking to Kakembo Patrick from Airtel Uganda.
Yes.
The purpose of this call, madam, is to inform you. Right now, we have disconnected your Airtel mobile money out of service. Have you seen the message?
I have not seen the message.
We disconnected it out of service.
I have always told you disconnect my line, but you have refused. Instead, you are calling every day. Don't you know that there is hunger in Karamoja? You want to come and steal at us the same time. Very stupid Ugandans. Buganda.
Am I talking to Penina Lolamu?
Yes. I'm the one. We are tired of your theft, idiots, just stealing people every time.
Stupid, hopeless,
yeah, stupid. We have hunger here in Karamoja. You are calling people to call them. That is why you fail to go to school.
You are Karamoja like a pig.
The rest to Mati, Garcia is now when Mwisi Sara tumbavu kirya kongotongu
I'll kill you. I'm going to kill you.
Very stupid. You come and kill me. Where will you idiot pass to?
Oh, when Nakomoto. Bagala nyofe.
No. Olumole mwa.
Awasinzo okunyumya debate bwe yaganye namugamba ukiruyu
kale Omu Karamoja ati okufa bafa amasasi bafa enjalo nyumya
nabadde nfudde mwepanga
mudangayo bafere mwenyawo omufere oluzungu lwabuze naleeta oluswayiri
Oh, that's why you do not put in the clothes.
Hey, alesa ebifumo byonna. That's why you don't put on any clothes.
Omu Karamoja naso kate.
Aleta raga.
Na bani opa badu kata bachiwani kabata.
Zemunde badde vuga. Okay, kale.
Nabadde nfudde.
Mama Segirinya yalumbye omubaka omupya Minister wa Justice and because of the affairs omulondo omupya